Welcome back to the crowdfundingexposure.com channel. In today's video, we will reveal the secret to raising money quickly and easily get the funding you need now. Episode 18. Looking for a fast and easy way to raise funds? Discover the secret to raising money quickly and easily with our expert tips and advice. Get the funding you need now and start making your dreams a reality. Don't let a lack of funds hold you back any longer. Learn the secrets to successful fundraising today. In today's digital age, raising money online has become a popular and effective way for individuals, businesses, and organizations to gather funds for various causes. From crowdfunding campaigns to online donation platforms, there are many avenues available to those looking to raise money quickly and easily. In this video, we'll explore some of the best ways to raise money online and provide you with actionable tips on how to make your online fundraising campaign a success. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more free videos and tips. Choose the right platform. One of the most important aspects of raising money online is choosing the right platform for your fundraising campaign. There are many different options available, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. Some popular online fundraising platforms include Kickstarter, GoFundMe, and Indiegogo. These platforms offer a range of features and benefits, such as easy setup, social sharing tools, and built-in payment processing. When choosing a platform, it's important to consider your specific needs and goals. For example, if you're raising money for a creative project, Kickstarter might be the best choice as it's geared towards funding creative projects. On the other hand, if you're raising money for a personal cause, GoFundMe might be a better fit as it's designed for personal fundraising campaigns. Set a realistic fundraising goal. Before launching your online fundraising campaign, it's important to set a realistic fundraising goal. Your goal should be based on your specific needs and the amount of money required to achieve your objective. Setting a realistic goal is important because it will help you avoid disappointment if you fall short of your target. When setting your goal, consider the amount of time you have to raise funds and the size of your audience. If you have a large following or a strong network, you may be able to set a higher goal. However, if you're just starting out or have a smaller network, it's better to set a more modest goal and work your way up. Create a compelling fundraising page. Your fundraising page is the centerpiece of your online fundraising campaign. It's where you'll tell your story, explain your cause, and encourage people to donate. To create a compelling fundraising page, make sure to include the following elements. A clear and concise description of your cause. A compelling headline that grabs attention. A breakdown of how the funds will be used. Testimonials or endorsements from people who have donated or supported your cause. A clear call to action that encourages people to donate. By creating a well-designed and persuasive fundraising page, you'll increase your chances of attracting donations and achieving your fundraising goal. Leverage social media. Social media can be a powerful tool for promoting your online fundraising campaign and reaching a wider audience. Use platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to spread the word about your cause, share updates and progress reports, and encourage people to donate. Some tips for leveraging social media include: use compelling visuals and images to grab attention. Create social media posts that encourage people to share and donate. Use hashtags to make it easier for people to find and share your posts. Reach out to influencers and advocates who may be willing to support your cause and share your campaign with their followers. By leveraging the power of social media, you'll be able to reach a wider audience and attract more donations to your online fundraising campaign. Offer incentives and rewards. Another effective way to encourage people to donate to your online fundraising campaign is to offer incentives and rewards. This could include anything from a simple thank you note to a personalized gift or a shout-out on social media. By offering something in return for donations, you'll not only motivate people to give but also show your appreciation for their support. When offering incentives and rewards, it's important to make sure they're relevant to your cause and audience. For example, if you're raising money for a charity that supports children's education, offering a reward like a children's book or a school supply kit could be a great way to encourage donations. Communicate and engage with your donors. Once your online fundraising campaign is up and running, it's important to stay in touch with your donors and keep them engaged with your cause. This could include sending regular updates on your progress, thanking them for their support, and showing them the impact their donations are making. By communicating and engaging with your donors, you'll not only build stronger relationships with them but also increase the likelihood that they'll support your future fundraising campaigns. Follow up and say thank you. Finally, once your fundraising campaign is over, make sure to follow up with your donors and say thank you for their support. This could include sending personalized thank you notes, sharing success stories or updates on your progress, or inviting them to future events or fundraisers. By showing your appreciation and keeping your donors engaged, you'll not only build stronger relationships with them but also increase the likelihood that they'll support your future fundraising campaigns. In conclusion, raising money online has become an increasingly popular and effective way for individuals, businesses, and organizations to gather funds for various causes. By choosing the right platform, setting a realistic fundraising goal, creating a compelling fundraising page, leveraging social media, offering incentives and rewards, communicating and engaging with your donors, and following up with thank you notes, you can make your online fundraising campaign a success. So why wait? Start planning your next online fundraising campaign today and start making a difference in the world. Don't let your fundraising campaign fall flat due to a lack of exposure and ineffective marketing. Hire the experts at crowdfundingexposure.com to help you write a compelling campaign, craft a powerful press release, and get the exposure you need to reach your fundraising goals. Our team of skilled professionals has years of experience in the crowdfunding industry, and we know what it takes to get your campaign noticed. With our proven strategies and effective marketing techniques, we can help you get the funding you need, quickly and easily. So, if you're ready to take your fundraising campaign to the next level, don't wait any longer. Contact crowdfundingexposure.com today and let us help you achieve your fundraising goals. We're confident that with our help, you'll be able to raise the funds you need and make a real difference in the world. Frequently asked questions. Question: what is crowdfunding, and how can it help me raise funds for my project or cause? Answer: crowdfunding is a fundraising method that involves raising small amounts of money from a large number of people, typically through an online platform. It can be a highly effective way to raise funds for a variety of projects or causes, ranging from creative endeavors to nonprofit initiatives. Question: how do I choose the right crowdfunding platform for my fundraising campaign? Answer: when choosing a crowdfunding platform, it's important to consider factors such as the platform's fees, features, and user base. Look for a platform that offers the right mix of tools and resources to help you achieve your fundraising goals, and be sure to read reviews and do your research to ensure that the platform is reputable and trustworthy. Question: how can I create a compelling fundraising page that will attract donors? Answer: to create a compelling fundraising page, focus on telling a compelling story that highlights the impact of your project or cause. Use powerful images and videos to help bring your message to life, and be sure to include clear calls to action that encourage visitors to donate. Question: how can I effectively promote my fundraising campaign on social media? Answer: to effectively promote your fundraising campaign on social media, be sure to use a variety of channels and tactics, such as creating engaging posts and videos, leveraging hashtags and influencers, and running targeted ads. You can also encourage your supporters to share your campaign with their own social networks to help increase exposure. Question: how important is press coverage for my fundraising campaign, and how can I get my campaign featured in the media? Answer: press coverage can be a highly effective way to increase exposure for your fundraising campaign and attract new donors. To get your campaign featured in the media, consider reaching out to journalists and bloggers who cover topics related to your cause, and be sure to craft a compelling press release that highlights the most newsworthy aspects of your campaign. Question: how can I ensure that my donors feel appreciated and engaged throughout my fundraising campaign? Answer: to keep your donors engaged and feeling appreciated throughout your fundraising campaign, be sure to communicate regularly with them and keep them updated on your progress. You can also offer incentives and rewards for donors at different levels, and provide opportunities for donors to get involved in your project or cause in meaningful ways. Don't let your fundraising campaign fall flat due to a lack of exposure and ineffective marketing. Hire the experts at crowdfundingexposure.com to help you write a compelling campaign, craft a powerful press release, and get the exposure you need to reach your fundraising goals. Our team of skilled professionals has years of experience in the crowdfunding industry, and we know what it takes to get your campaign noticed. With our proven strategies and effective marketing techniques, we can help you get the funding you need, quickly and easily. So, if you're ready to take your fundraising campaign to the next level, don't wait any longer. Contact crowdfundingexposure.com today and let us help you achieve your fundraising goals. We're confident that with our help, you'll be able to raise the funds you need and make a real difference in the world.
Thanks for watching our video. Please smash the like button now, click share, and subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss our next episode. Remember, crowdfundingexposure.com is here to help as many people as possible, but we receive so many requests every day that we simply cannot accommodate them all. We have a strict 80 orders per day policy to ensure the highest quality for our clients. If you need anything specific for your camping, please let us know in the comments below and we'll see what we can find for you. Have a great day. Remember, it's important to click the like, share and subscribe, and visit www.crowdfundingexposure.com for exciting daily promos and coupons.